Alrighty folks, good morning. This is David over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Here we have another windshield we're going to be replacing. This is a brand new glass. This isn't no aftermarket glass. You know, when you come here, you have two options. Either you can go with OEM or aftermarket, whatever suits your budget. We're gonna be replacing it on this Chevy Silverado. It's got a lot of pit marks and it's got a few rock chips on it. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it for the customer. We're also going to be removing and retinting the truck. As you can see, it's got some pretty bad tint on there. So we're going to go ahead and remove all that and apply it on new high performance window film. We're going to be doing the 15% on the two front windows and limo on the back. We're also going to be adding a real light shade on the front windshield to protect this dash from cracking and also give them a little bit of heat rejection and glare reduction. So stay tuned, guys. I will show you guys once it's all done here at D's Garage. Alrighty guys, so we got the windshield all taken care of, out, cleaned up. Now we are going to be primering these spots here along with that there, because these windows are extremely difficult to take out. So you'll hit the little pinch wells, little frame areas. And if you don't use this primer in time, it will definitely create rust. So it's very important that you use a primer. We got the windshield up nice and cleaned. We did add our %50 window film on here. Here's where you can see the difference. So this is the factory, and then this is with the tint on. Real light shade, but that's gonna help you with heat and to protect this dashboard. I'm gonna show you guys, if this window was tinted a while back, you see those cracks along there? That wouldn't have happened if you had some tint to help it. It's a little bit too late, but we're gonna prevent it from getting any worse, adding just a little layer of film on that glass. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, gonna show you the final product on this Chevy Silverado. All right guys, so we just finished up the Chevy Silverado here. This thing is super clean. It's got a nice leveling kit with them beefy tires, method wheels on there. We didn't do all that, but let me double check this camera. All right, looks a little blurry, but we good. So, finished replacing the windshield. We added a 55% on there, which is a super light shade. It's a really light shade, nothing too crazy. just to give them a little bit more privacy and help protect this dash. We removed and retinted the full truck, adding our 5% on the rear window, 20 on the two fronts, and windshield replacement, and 55 on there. There it is, guys. If you guys are interested in any auto glass, window tinting, audio and accessory installations, it's by appointment only. So contact us and set up your appointment here at D's Garage.